Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Knowledge and Wisdom, Chapter 7, Shloka 13. Deluded by these natures, states, or things composed of the three gunas of Prakriti, all the world knows me not as immutable and distinct from them.
Chapter 7, Shloka 13. त्रिभिर्गुणमयैर्भावैः येऽपि सर्वम् इदं जगत् मोहितं नाभिजानाति मामेभ्यः परम् अव्ययम्.
Chapter 7, Shloka 13. The relationship between the self and the lower nature is not of cause and effect. The intellect can only function in the realm of cause and effect. The self is beyond the intellect and not an object of the intellect. The relation between the spirit and matter is only a superimposition of matter upon the spirit. In this shloka, Lord regrets that the world does not recognize its true nature and explains what is this ignorance in the world due to. Ordinary individuals are not in a position to at least recognize its presence, if not a complete realization of it, the great truth, because they are deluded by the three gunas. Because they are blind due to the gunas, they not only recognize the possibility of living a divine life, but also continue to live a life of suffering due to the identification with the matter layers. For the deluded, the post is covered by the ghost vision, and as long as the ghost is seen, even a portion of the post will not be visible. Similarly, the self comes to play the role of the ego by identifying with the effects of Maya and remains preoccupied with the mental imaginations and gratification of the senses in the world, and becomes incapable of inquiring into its true nature. This problem created by the deluded ego is universal, all due to the power of the Maya. Learn more in the next shloka, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.